Honda Safety and Driver-Assistive Technologies. Collision Mitigation Braking System. In the event of a possible frontal collision, it activates a warning. If the collision is unavoidable, it can help your Honda apply brake pressure. Lane Keeping Assist System. It uses a camera to help detect lane lines and adjusts your steering to help keep you centered. Road Departure Mitigation System. If you cross detected lanes without signaling, it activates a warning and can then adjust your steering and braking if needed. Adaptive Cruise Control. When Adaptive Cruise Control is active, it can detect a vehicle ahead and help maintain a set following interval by adjusting your speed. Blind Spot Information System. If it detects a vehicle in an adjacent lane, it activates a warning light. If you activate your turn signal, the light will flash and an alert will sound. Cross Traffic Monitor. When you're backing up, it can detect vehicles from either side. It will activate an audible warning and display on-screen graphics so you know when the vehicle has cleared your path. It's all part of the suite of Honda Safety and Driver-Assistive Technologies.